So, for example, we have SBI Life Insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's as mass as it gets. It's a national brand.
Yeah.
So their journey to voice is three-pronged approach.
Mm-hmm.
We call it as information, service, and delight.
Okay.
So information is 5 years ago, or you would have a mobile app. 10 years ago, you would have a website.
Yes.
Right. Now it is time to have a voice equivalent of a website. Right?
Right.
Can you have all the information about your brand, your company, your services, your product
Mm-hmm.
available on an Alexa?
Right.
Some customers might just ask, "Hey Alexa, tell me what policies I have for cancer protection in SBI Life," which should be able to tell them.
Mm-hmm.
So we call this phase as information phase,
Mm-hmm.
and we have done with this.
Mm-hmm.
So the next phase for SBI Life Insurance is service.
Mm-hmm.
That is, hey, what is my policy premium date?
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
How much is my NAV value in my...
So it's personalized to that particular
Correct.
user. Okay.
So instead of customer going to a contact center branch or talking to a financial advisor, they can self-serve with their Alexa device.
Mm-hmm.
Third piece is delight. This is where storytelling, podcast, branded content made available through the voice assistant itself comes into play.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the three-pronged approach we have for any brand.
Got it.
So SBI Life is done with phase 1. We are working on phase 2 and phase 3.